Mookie, have you heard this one about Nicki Minaj's tweet? She said her cousin in Trinidad won't get vaccinated because his friend got it and became impotent and his testicles swollen. No, I don't think that's true at all, Mookie. Mookie says that 9 out of 10 doctors would disagree with that. I think it's 10 out of 10. Mookie, where are you getting this 9 out of 10, huh?
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below.
No, it's funny because it's like visual humor, like what's that guy's name? Carrot Top. How you don't know who Carrot Top is? Have you ever been to Vegas? He's got a great show in Vegas. It's funny because blue balls is actually a saying. You don't know visual comedy, Mookie. Oh, hello. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. This is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy7 Shoutout Challenge. We'll reveal the super shoutout in a moment. First, we're going to make a drink. All right. I forgot what drink we're going to make, Mookie. Well, do you know? I forgot. Oh, we're going to make a brain fart. Ah, do you see what I did there, Mookie? She just doesn't get my humor. All right, so I got my Tiki mug. I filled it full of crushed ice. I've been really getting into the crushed ice lately. When I worked on the cruise ships in Barbados, a lot of the tropical drinks I had there were crushed ice. I just love crushed ice. All right, so this is called a brain fart. So we got 1 ounce of Everclear. That's a grain alcohol, super strong. And 1 ounce of vodka. And we're going to go 3 ounces of Mountain Dew. And we got the juice of 1/2 fresh lemon. Two ounces of Sprite. And we got a 3/4 ounce of white rum. And that is a brain fart. All right, so for today's hashtag Chappy7 Shoutout Challenge, we're giving a special shout out to Cooking with Neighbours Jerri-ellen. She's a triple C. She does cooking collabs and she's Canadian. So she's a fellow Canadian. We're all richer for having seen her. What, Mookie? Oh, that Mookie says that's people who aren't Canadian aren't going to get my tragically hip reference. That's a reference to the late Gord Downie. If you're Canadian, you know who the Tragically Hip are. They were one of the most popular bands in Canada. But this isn't about Gord Downie. It's about Cooking with Neighbours Jerri-ellen. Go check out her channel. And as I said, she's a fellow Canadian. She's got a great channel, a lot of great cooking going on there. So check out Cooking with Neighbours Jerri-ellen. All right, we got a great episode coming up. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. But first up, Mookie and I found another great little poke restaurant in downtown Calgary. So we're going to get some takeout and bring it back here and have some authentic Hawaiian poke. So stay tuned for that.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha and welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I got some mozzarella sticks with a little bit of marinara dipping sauce. I got these at Superstore. They have jalapenos and tortilla chips inside the mozzarella sticks. Today I'm going to make a tropical bay breeze cocktail. Got my Tiki mug. Very simple drink. The only booze is Malibu coconut rum, cranberry juice, pineapple juice, and then it calls for grenadine. I'm just going to do a little bit of the juice from my maraschino cherry. And I got a maraschino cherry as garnish. And that's my tropical bay breeze cocktail. Thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit the notification bell and that'll let you know when Mookie's ready to make another video. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.